Today I'm going to show you how I make these one-off vines. They're made with solid copper, sheet and wire, and the tubing is what some of the plumbers use and have used. Each piece is completely unique. Eye protection and my mask on, and then that's ready for the other side. Butterfly will go in there, and then the small piece of wire that's there will be used to attach the butterfly with another little bit of tubing in the middle of each of those. Over time, the green ages. When it's had about 10 years life, it goes this lovely distressed sort of aged look. And I found if I wanted to solder more things, I have to have a clean surface. So in cleaning it, I uncover the older aged metal. You can see every single leaf is unique. To attach these leaves, I'm going to use 1/2 of that original wire. I have older pieces here that have been aged in the same way. I'm going to attach these two together. So just like in nature, you get extra pieces like bell vine wrapping round plants. Ivy does grow with itself together. Solder on this piece, that piece, in the middle, there and there. That one and that one. And then I'm going to go for one there. Then goes my flux on first. Start with the middle ones. So I'll just position those there. Now, so we've got another edge to do here. So I reckon 2 of those there. Just so I'm going to place them there to have a look. I think that will be better. Yeah. Yeah, and then I've got one more fitting to put in here. I'm going to add in this last portion to the vine to finish it off on this end. So I'm going to be soldering that piece in. Right, let's try that. Butterfly was going in there. One more leaf. One more leaf. I've cut out a flat piece of metal, and to make it domed shape I've put it in this pestle and mortar. Because I'm making the centre of my flower, I'm going to drill. I'll drill over this hole, and I use my pliers to make my COVID tops, which are 2 twists of wire squashed together and then tilted to the back piece I wanted. Do my 2 twists, 1 and 2. And then I could probably use these quite better. There we are. And that's my COVID centres. So I have pre-made my centre. When I was designing the flowers, I was making a centre for them, and I was thinking on all of the troubles we've had, because it's now July 2020, and I wanted to have a centre to the flowers, and I thought about the COVID-19 bug. What's the word? Virus, that's it. And when I'm making these, I thought if I used a COVID centre to my flower, and it would remind us all of all the troubles and things we've had over the last few months, but it will be a pleasanter reminder when you're looking at a flower centre on there. So that's one type of flower you can have, and there's 2 or 3 different shape flowers you can have. That's it. It's in line with the head, and it won't go anywhere. It will flutter in the breeze, but it won't actually fall away. It won't fall anywhere. So now I've got my assembled vine, and I'm going to insert it, and then when it's assembled, that's it, and that's the finished vine. When it's in the wind, and even while it's attached to a wall, you will get the soft rustle of the metal, and it sort of brings it to life. I've heard people say how much they like it. Always sounds as if it's evolving on its own. It's lovely to have something that's not just visually nice, but it sounds nice. It was quite an unusual thing. Didn't realise it for weeks. That's what the noise was I could hear.